Cattle was once again making gains on Thursday after Wednesday's losses. Day's Michelle Rook has more on where things could be heading today with the release of several key reports from USDA.
Row crops and cattle to the plus side on Thursday. Allison Thompson joins us with analysis. Corn and soybeans. Let's talk about that first of all, maybe some positioning ahead of the reports. But what do we need in those reports here today from a bullish standpoint to keep the market going? How much is priced in already?
We've been kind of trading the headlines that we're expecting in the report ahead of it. We've been trading it since we've hit the harvest lows. And in corn, that was back in August. And since then, we've rallied about $1 on these headlines, potentially lower yield here in the U.S. and strong demand. They have definitely bumped up the price. So markets are going to need to see something fresh, an extremely bullish report if we're going to see markets break to the upside here. On the soybean side, obviously lack of demand or lackluster demand has definitely set back prices, and we've struggled to make new highs again. So we're going to need to see really good demand numbers tomorrow and probably a production cut as well on soybeans if we're going to see markets continue higher. But with that being said, I think a lot of the trade estimates are what the market has been trading here for the past couple of months. So at least if we do get a report that is somewhere near estimates, I think markets should remain pretty supported.
Good. And then after that, we're going to go back to trading South American weather.
I have a feeling so. If we aren't going to be getting a big surprise in the report, the market's going to be quickly going back to South American weather. And we're in a time period here where we're going to watching it very closely. They really need rains within the next week to 10 days. And so forecasts, obviously, over the weekend can definitely change things early next week. So if we don't get any changes in the report, I think any weather changes over the weekend, early next week, are probably going to have the bigger impact on prices here, at least in the short term.
And a nice recovery in cattle chasing another week of record cash here.
Yes, obviously the cash market remains strong, and that's keeping that market resilient. So I think we could see it continue higher just based on what cash does, but we're going to need to see the cash break to really see a correction in this market.
Thanks so much. That is Allison Thompson with The Money Farm. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.